Word up, man. Fat caps and shit. Pilots and shit. Griffin. Homemades. Layups. The whole shit, man. For all my real graph niggas, son. Fat niggas know what it is. Niggas out nightly, son. Getting that tag on and shit. Yo. I reminisce days wearing all black, paint in my knapsack. Summer squash yellow calling me, I had to rack that. Freaking for an inside, burgundy outline. Late make a strip shine, nigga I take mine. Tags on the J-line, E-train tunnels. Flat blacks, got stacks, fat caps by the bundles. It was like that, take my spot, I'll be right back. Hand styles, they major, stomp blocks and Deja. My rustos and labor, about to give birth to flavor. Vandal squad cops play blocks in a LeSabre. Trying to catch niggas, writing they name, looking for fame. Sometimes you get locked, it's just part of the game. Antifreeze in my Griffin, I was making a stain. First car to the back of the train, simple and plain. Wrecking rack spots, shutting them down, leaving them slain. Real talk, son, graph on the brain, it was insane, nah I mean.
I got 25 cans in my knapsack.
Yo, I can still smell the paint in the air like I was there. I used to ride the 7 train way back and just stare at the colors on the roof. Pale yellow was the shit. Everybody wildin' out, anybody was a vic. Pilot marker in my pocket, everything was getting hit. When you come through correct, your whole style get big. Triple outline, taking my time to look crisp. Can't control, crushing calm, straight stomp, we don't miss. 4-finger chips, street cry lines like full clips. Kill something, spray it past the weapon, keep stepping. Niggas know my style, still reppin', no question. I drop a lot of jewels when I rhyme, so pay attention. In New York, we make walls talk, free expression. Beyond comprehension of the regular is deeper. Paint in my pocket, fat cap in my sneaker. Late night on a mission for self. I got the fever, got the fever.
I got 25 cans in my knapsack.
Adrenaline rushing as I see a transit cop coming. Now I start running, hop pursuit, drop the paint, hop the roof, slip, fell, cut myself, my left hand leaking. I'm not trying to go to central bookings for the weekend. I'm moving like a marathon winner, never a quitter. Pigs chasing me for bullshit, I'm wondering why they bitter. So I go left, go right, go left, hit the Ave, run around the corner and I hop into a cab. Now I'm moving, got away, close call, still bleeding, shirt rip, scuff kicks, out of shape, heavy breathing, not discouraged on my mission. Never that, I'm still proceeding, doing spots like an even Monday to the weekend. Peace to all the writers catching tags every evening. Spots seeming hot, gleaming, permy walls on forever shit. Drop bombs like 7 million Arab rebel terrorists. One love coming from a spray paint specialist, you heard?
I got